Well, it's first day back at school for my son and my daughter, but it's my daughter's first day at school, guys. Sorry if I look a bit rough, I got up late. Got up 30 minutes ago. This is Matthew. Smile, Matthew. Smile. Oi. Smile. This is my beautiful little girl's first day, look. Ma's back doing breakfast in the morning. Make a little bit extra cash. Do you know the UKIM families? Huh? Yeah. They're all boys, that's unusual. Yeah, what I was going to say is the UKIM family's massive. When we go anywhere, there's loads of people want to join. So I always end up with 2 jeepneys. And it's always somebody else has to pay. Not me, I'm not suggesting it's me. So we're gonna go to school and see if she cries her eyes out.
Let's see if she's crying. I think Inso will cry.
Yeah, Inso probably cried. So we managed to get uniform, did we? Ooh. So it's not going to be a big video, guys, and I need to tell you now that we might disappear for a while. Personal issues, the camera keeps not working. I've lost loads of videos with no audio. I've tried putting a new mic on, it's a little bit better, but I'm beginning to think it's the camera now. Or it's the audio jack on the camera, I don't know. So, like I say, we might disappear for a little while. If you're supporting the channel, please stick with us till we come back. We will be back. The chances are I'll be doing some videos but not posting them online, and it'll just be membership and Patreon that sees the videos until we come back. I just need a bit of a rest. I'm burnt out. I need a bit of a rest. And we need to like regroup and think about the videos we're doing and how we can change them to get more support. Oh my God, look how busy it is. So first day back, guys. Police are here because of the traffic. Barangay's helping out. Morning. 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 I can't believe it, you know. It doesn't seem 2 minutes. They grow up so fast. Now she's at school. The only thing is Matthew's at school all day now. She's only at school till 3 o'clock. No, not 3 o'clock. What am I on about? 12 o'clock. It's just telling you who's in what class. And this one, what?
Pia, you there?
Bria, Bria, are you going to cry? Are you going to be a good girl?
Pia,
You're not going to do.
na.
You're not going to do that to the teacher, are you? No. I think I'm going to cry because I'm a big girl. Oh my God! I hope that music doesn't get me demonetized. So is Matthew over here then, Mel?
Over there, yeah. Man is still looking for ano.
Baste.
Pia not cry. That's money. Straight away, she's sit down.
What? He's crying?
No, she's sit down.
Not her. I mean, I'm on about.
No, man is looking for ano pa in the room. Can't find it. Maybe they're over there.
Matthew's here. This is Matthew's class. He's a big boy now. What time do we take her and bring her back?
We don't know yet. I will know later.
Because he's Uy! So this young man's now all day because you're a big boy now, aren't you? Can you smile a bit? That's it. See you later. Give Daddy a kiss. See you later. Go into class. So the first few days, guys, is just going to be like orientation. They're not going to be doing much. So what's happening?
Teachers they're having assessment, so that it's not a final.
Right. So they're assessing the kids, see how advanced they are, and then it will depend what class they're in. Okay. So you're going to cry? No? Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm the one who excited. Music!
Wait, go on.
When I was a kid, when I was elementary, I'm not wearing a uniform.
A uniform wasn't required?
Yeah, no.
You were at this school, weren't you, Mel?
Yeah.
This is where Mel went to school, this same place. Right, the kids have to attend the raising of the flag ceremony. The parents are invited to watch if they want to watch. So that's about us done, guys. We're two proud parents of two beautiful kids, and we're about to go home. So see you next time.
Ako ay Pilipino. Buong katapatan ng
Please hit the like button.
kawatawan
Please subscribe.
ng
Share our
Pilipinas
video. Bye guys.
at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Robert Cole, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Zarther Gregory, and Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvair, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, A Brit's Philippines Destination. Big thanks to all of you.